If you're looking for information on the Numerous.ai Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Numerous.ai Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Numerous.ai Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. The truth is, you're sinking hours entering all your data and then writing out formulas just to fix thousands of entries by hand. If only there was an AI-powered tool that let you use ChatGPT right inside Excel and Google Sheets, so you can zoom through all your spreadsheet tasks. Say hello to Numerous.ai. Prompt ChatGPT right inside your spreadsheets with simple formulas so you can cut down your busy work. Drag formulas down and let ChatGPT simultaneously perform a bunch of repetitive tasks at once. Use ChatGPT right from your Excel and Google Sheets to ditch hours of busy work. Numerous.ai is an AI-powered tool that uses ChatGPT to write content, extract text, categorize data, and generate formulas in spreadsheets. With Numerous.ai, you get an AI-powered toolbox for spreadsheets that acts as an extension for Excel and Google Sheets. Just prompt ChatGPT inside a formula and drag it down to perform repetitive tasks on thousands of rows at once. Plus, you can use simple formulas to instantly generate content like marketing copy, SEO descriptions, customer responses, and messages. Using the infer formula, you can train AI to perform specific tasks. Simply show it a handful of examples to get the ball rolling. That means you'll be able to categorize hundreds of items, format 1,000 cells, and perform sentiment analysis without breaking a sweat. And because you can save Numerous.ai functions for future use, you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel. Prompt ChatGPT to perform AI-related tasks like making educated guesses, summarizing text into bullet points, and extracting specific content. Thanks to the AI function, Numerous.ai can do awesome things like send unique replies to as many customer comments as you want. You can also browse from pre-written AI formulas to perform basic tasks, so you don't worry about coming up with your own formulas from scratch. Best of all, you can train Numerous.ai to perform hyper-specific tasks. Just describe the formula you want, and this tool will handle the rest. You'll be able to easily generate complicated spreadsheet formulas like VLOOKUP, query, and REGX. And because Numerous.ai can actually explain formulas to you, you'll never be in the dark about what's going on with your data. Manipulating spreadsheet data shouldn't feel like you're signing up for a lifetime's worth of manual labor. Lucky for you, Numerous.ai leverages ChatGPT inside Excel and Google Sheets, so you can teach AI to tackle all your spreadsheet tasks. Do more with your spreadsheets. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Numerous.ai today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.